This is Dungill and Timalaga. This is the first course and the first run down of the champion bitch stake. So a straight run up there, but the winner is the red collar, Dungill. Next pair here now, it's for She's the One, and on the white collar it's Reserve A, Mayor Roberta. So that's the white collar there, the Reserve A, Mayor Roberta. And another top class here there. So Mayor Roberta, the Reserve A, coming in there for High and Brook, going through. Color. Next pair here now, this is Storm Cloud and Ballymore Polly. The red collar there, Storm Cloud, going through. Next pair here now, it's Tegan Star and Fuchs Court Echo. So the white collar, Fuchs Court Echo, she's on her game. Tegan Star now is joining in. So that's the white collar there, Fuchs Court Echo going through. Next pair coming out here now, this is Darren Rose and Hey Soul Sister. So the red collar there, Darren Rose, got the turn. So the red collar, Darren Rose going through. Here we go again now, this is Templetuohy Trump and Come On Vivian. Templetuohy Trump, she managed to pull it out of the bag there. Another top class hair there. So the red collar, Templetuohy Trump, going through.
And the red collar, Templetuohy Trump, was the winner of that course.
This is Cape Town Lucy and Job Done. So Cape Town Lucy's got the turn there.
And the red collar, Cape Town Lucy, was the winner of that course.
Last course here now in the all-age bitch deck. This is Holy Lady and Yorkville Stella. So the white collar there, Yorkville Stella, going through.
And the white collar, Yorkville Stella, was the winner of that.
We're now back to the champion bitch deck. Second round. This is Dungill and Reserve A, Mayor Roberta. So Mayor Roberta has come in here as a reserve on the white collar.
On the white collar, the Reserve A, Mayor Roberta, was the winner of that course.
Next pair coming out here now. This is Storm Cloud and Folks Court Echo. So that's the red collar there, Storm Cloud going through.
Red collar.
Second last course here now in the second rundown of the all-age bitch stake. This is Darren Rose and Ptolemy Trump. So that's the white collar there, Ptolemy Trump going through. Last course now here in the second rundown of the all-age bitch stake. This is Cape Town Lucy and Yorkville Stella. So that's the white collar there, Yorkville Stella going through. We're now moving on to the Champion Bitch Stake in Hennessy Cup. This is the first semi-final. And it's Mayor Roberta, who has come in as a reserve, and Storm Cloud. Here we go, they're running. Storm Cloud and the white collar showing in front here. It's a close buckle there. One for the judge. And the judge gives it to the white collar, Mayor Roberta, who has come in as a reserve at number 4.
Storm Cloud is the winner of that first semi-final.
Correction there, Storm Cloud on the white collar gets the flag at number 5. This is Ptolemy Trump and Yorkville Stella. This is the second semi-final in the Champion Bitch Stake. So it's the red collar there, Ptolemy Trump, going through to the final against Storm Cloud.
Red collar, Ptolemy Trump was the winner of that second semi-final in the Champion Bitch.
Unfortunately, it looks like she has a leg up there. Well, she's walking off. Our next final for decision, it's the Champion Bitch Stake and Hennessy Cup, and here we have Storm Cloud and Ptolemy Trump. Here we go. Storm Cloud on the red collar. There's a good lead here. So Storm Cloud, owned and trained in Belfast by Chris Malloy, takes the Champion Bitch Stake for 2013.
The winner of the Champion Bitch.
Seas it rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to